Question 3, we're graphing a sine function. So I'm going to write my general form of my sine function and identify ABCD. So here's ours, y equals 1/4 sine. I'm going too fast, I gotta slow down. Pi halves x minus 3 pi halves minus 4. Okay, so first, I always start with the midline and the amplitude. So the midline is right here, -4, and the amplitude is 1/4. So we're going to move this blue dot. Well, we're a sine function, so just make sure we're starting off as a sine function. See how we're going through 0? So this one's actually starting off in sine, not in cosine, which is good. Our last one we kind of had to fix. So midline is -4. And then our amplitude is 1/4. So I want this to go up to just 1/4 up and 1/4 below. That's kind of hard to see. You might want to zoom in if you need to, but I went up to the first line. So I'm 1/4 above and 1/4 below. That's the amplitude. Okay, next, find your period. Remember, your period is 2 pi over the absolute value of b. And we're given b. So we have 2 pi over pi halves. And we have to write 2 pi as a fraction and then multiply. So 2 pi over 1 times the reciprocal, 2 over pi. And what happens is our pi's cancel out and we get 2 times 2, which is 4. So our period equals 4. So that means we finish the cycle and we start repeating after 4. This one's kind of tricky. Trying to see where the top is. I'm going to move that to 4. So I'm going 0 to 4, and that's my period. So we're going up, down, and then middle. And then we'd start again. Up, down, middle. Okay, now let's do our horizontal shift. So our horizontal shift is called the phase shift, which equals C over B. So C is, remember it's the opposite sign, 3 pi halves divided by B, which is right here, pi halves. You're going to be so good at dividing fractions. So 3 pi halves times the reciprocal. And guess what happens? You get 6 pi over 2 pi. The pi's cancel out and you just get 3. So we're going to shift right 3. I'm at 0. I'm going to take this point all the way over to 3. And we're done.